Welcome to Adelane's Adventures. This is Lightwater Valley. Today we're at Lightwater Valley, a theme park for under 12s in Ripon. It used to be a big thrill park that my mum loved. But today we'll check this new park for a 6-year-old like me. First, time to check my map. We're right here, then if we walk a little to the right, then head up, we'll be at the park. Lightwater Valley has a few different lands, but first stop for us is Safari Land.
Look! What is it?
It's a big ride over there. We'll go on that soon. Play park first. There's loads of things to do in this play park. It might be the tallest one I've ever seen. Ooh, human slingshot. Adelane incoming! Ooh, I just landed right in the queue for the Tiki Raft.
Are you ready, Ed? First ride.
Yeah!
Are you ready? First ride of the day. Is it going to be a scary one?
No.
It will.
It's going to be scary.
Can you? Can you see our house?
No, just our car. So if we are here, we'll walk out, go there, walk past and go on the safari. And that is the end of class. Recess, kids. Now on to the safari. Now it's Daddy's turn, then onto the water slides. Quick donut stop. Proper seaside donut to those.
Yes! Come on then, quick!
Wow, that looks ace. First go with Mummy.
How was that? You look wet. That's crazy.
Next go with Daddy.
You love it? That looked proper cool.
And I said I got dry while I was bicycling.
And now you're wet again.
Pirate Island. And as you can see, we're at Pirate Island. Now let's hit the pirate spinny boat things.
Are you ready for the pirate ride? How was that? Good.
Time for the flying cutlets. Now onto the Alice in Wonderland ride. Wow, Alice in Wonderland is connected to Yorkshire.
Oh, someone's crashed down the rabbit hole. What? What? Flamingo! Oh my gosh!
Now let's take a moment of silence for one of the greatest roller coasters in my mummy's history. The ultimate. On this coaster, the journey was long, the thrill was 10 out of 10, and the airtime was proper good. It was once the longest roller coaster in the world and built by British Rail. R.I.P. the ultimate. The nostalgia. And now it's time for the Hall of Mirrors and the trampolines. There are other fun things to do as well in this area. Now time for the balloons. Now from balloons to the eagle's claw. Gulp.
What are you about to go on, Ads?
That
What is it?
big eagle's claw.
Are you excited? Are you scared?
I'm excited.
Whoa! Whoa!
I like everything that's Oh my goodness! I can see everything!
You don't like that bit?
I don't like it. That's the biggest ride I've ever been on. Now a nice farm ride to relax. What nuggets? Why does it say butt nugget? Last ride stop, the Ladybird roller coaster with a POV from my dad. finished my day with an ice cream.
And what's this?
I also got a golden egg.
From where?
There's one thing before I leave. Lightwater Valley, my roller coaster's right down the coast. Bye parks, bye Adelane, bye. We hope you enjoyed today's adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Adelane's adventures. Bye.